Welcome to GLUCK, where imagination meets precision, and innovation drives the future of manufacturing. As South Korea's largest SLA-based 3D printing smart factory, GLUCK is redefining the possibilities of additive manufacturing. Our fully automated, remote-controlled production system ensures efficiency, scalability, and unparalleled precision. From initial design and modeling to printing, post-processing, and final finishing, GLUCK provides a one-stop solution for businesses seeking customized, high-quality mass production without the limitations of traditional manufacturing. With cutting-edge stereolithography SLA technology, we produce high-resolution, industrial-grade components tailored for various industries from automotive and robotics to medical devices and consumer electronics. Our technology is shaping the future of additive manufacturing worldwide, collaborating with global leaders in medical research, industrial engineering, and product innovation. As we expand our capabilities, GLUCK remains committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. Precision. Innovation. Limitless possibilities. This is GLUCK, your partner in the future of manufacturing.